Cheese the day and take your pizza making skills to new heights by making it a little bit spicy.
That's what's cooking tonight. We're grabbing a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Nelson Cardenas, serving up yummy pizza at Editor Pizza on Miami Beach.
The name says it all. We've been editing our pizzas so many times just to get our final product. Our pizzas are thin crust. If you're a fan of pizza and you want to eat great pizza, Editor.
Editor Pizza is on the ground floor of the Urbanica 5th Hotel. They serve up lots of New York vibes by making Brooklyn-style pizza by hand. If you don't want pizza, no worries. Pasta, salads, and other dishes are on the menu as well. So stop by Editor Pizza and order up a slice of what we're making today. Nduja pizza. Chef Nelson starts with the dough. You can make your own or just buy some ready-made at the store.
And then you start kneading it as much as you can.
Use semolina flour to help stretch and round out the dough.
Our main style will be Brooklyn style, so it's a thin crust. So we try to give it that thin crust with a really good crust at the end, crunchy.
Chef adds tomato sauce to the dough. He uses a brush to make sure the sauce is perfectly even. Instead of adding the ingredients now, he puts the dough in the oven to pre-bake for a few minutes. The pizza comes out and then Chef adds the ingredients.
We're gonna use here fresh mozzarella shredded.
Chef Nelson adds a second type of mozzarella called Bufala or buffalo. Next, the meat. This is a soft, spreadable Italian sausage called Nduja. If you can't find it at the store, substitute it with a spicy pepperoni.
So now from here, we go and throw it in the oven.
Let it bake for another 3 to 4 minutes, then take it out and add a few more toppings. Chopped parsley, Fresno peppers, and chili oil. Now slice it up and you're ready to serve.
Welcome to Editor Pizza. Please enjoy our Nduja pizza.
Here's your chance to make your own Nduja pizza at home. Grab your phone and scan the QR code that you see right there on your screen. Really easy. It's going to take you right to the recipe. Oh, now I want pizza. But guess what? You can also stop by Editor Pizza for breakfast. Get a breakfast in the morning, pizza for dinner. Yum. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.
Thank you, Belkys. I like a little spice on a pizza.
Me too, a little kick.
Tasty.
Yeah.